Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: app installed and microphone enabled. Open Google Translate and tap Conversation to begin. Choose the two languages you need so the app can route audio correctly. Once done, place the phone where both speakers are heard, because clear input yields better transcription and translation. Tap the mic or Conversation Start control to begin real-time translation. This immediate start skips extra menus and gets you into a live, back-and-forth exchange fast while the app learns each speaker's voice patterns. Now you manage the middle of the exchange. Choose Auto Detect when speakers switch often, or lock each side to a specific language when conversations stay consistent. You can tap a speaker's label to force that side's language, which improves accuracy during overlaps. If background noise rises, switch to tap to type or use an external mic for clearer input. Make sure to monitor live captions and press the pause button if you need to discuss privately. The app retains context, so translations resume smoothly once you restart. To finish, tap Stop. Google Translate will show the session transcript, which you can copy, export, or screenshot for records. Review the history to correct or retranslate lines if something sounded off, because manual edits help clarify meaning. If translations repeatedly fail, try repositioning the phone, using headphones with a mic, or switching to typed input for problematic phrases. These fixes address the most common audio and detection issues. Remember this one tip: reducing noise and getting closer to the speaker dramatically improves accuracy every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.